Hi everyone, this is Mustafizur Rahman. Again, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn about Google Display Ad. What is Google Display Ad? Google Display Ad is working in Google Display Network. It also called GDN. So in the GDN network, we can reach over 35 million website, app, and YouTube channels. So in this area we can also reach over 90% massive window audience in that when we run this ad. Another point is we can build our brand awareness in there. We can showcase our brand. After that we can also retarget our previous audience who are visiting our website. We can show ads in there. Another point is we can run the responsive image in there. It will auto adjust. We can't adjust that ads. It will be an option to adjust your image automatically. I can show you after that. After that we can see that dynamic remarketing ads. It is also target based ads. You can show your ads demography basis, age, gender, income, audience segment like affinity in marketing, custom audience as we see earlier, contextual basis, some like that, keyword, topic, and placement. We When we run a ad, we can see this issue, see this point where it will be working. After that we can select a multiple budget option in available there, like impression, click, CTR, ROS. This kind of budgeting bidding we can use in there. So why use Google, why use display ad? It working drive brand visibility. It will be visible your brand over 90% of massive audience in there, as we know see earlier. Actor and potential customer, you can target your potential customer in there, improve your conversion rate. When you see this at multiple platform, you can improve your conversion rate as usual. So I show you the funnel where it is working. So we have three funnel, as we know: awareness, consideration, and conversion. So in awareness we can run the ad in the display campaign. In the awareness stage, it will targeting demography, affinity, life event, topic, manage placement, customer affinity, audience. So we in this awareness campaign we select the bidding option: manual CPC, maximize click, and maximize CPV and CVPM. So it targeting content is informational, educational, and KPI is impression, and measurement is no of impression. So after that we can see what will be working in the conversion stage, consideration stage. Also we call that middle of the funnel. So middle of the funnel we see the display ad. It will be running over remarketing campaign. As we know, remarketing campaign is we retarget our previous audience in there. So in that area we can see that will be working over website visitor, landing page visitor, YouTube video viewers. Our bidding is in that area is enhanced CPC, as we know, maximize conversion, as we know what this bidding is calling, what is the working of this bidding. So we can our content type is product, service, focus content, identify problem and give solution, product feature and benefits, review and testimonial. And it will be a working KPI is website traffic. After that, in the conversion area we can see the sales and lead. In that area we can also run that display ad as a remarketing. So our content is same: visitor, leads, and card. So in that area we can use bidding is maximize conversion and target CPM. It will be give you the direct sales options in the available there. So there is the three funnels we are learning about where the display ads is working. Awareness stage we can learn this. Consideration we also learn this as a remarketing. Even conversion stage we also run as a sales campaign is remarketing. So now we see where is the display as shown. I am in the website, a newspaper, daily newspaper. Here you see the ad is showing in there. This is the display, and this is responsive. In there is a responsive. It also you can use the video, also you can use the still picture in there. So this is the my final stage. We learning about the Google displays. We know the what is displayed, and what criteria it will be working. So now we go to the campaign. So I start a new campaign. Okay, we select a sales. After that we select continue, and after that we go for this is displays. As you know, we have a random. I have a website. I just copy this. This is a free website, as you know. So we know the campaign name. This is not needed now. Start new. We select all over the country. It is not mandatory for now. Yeah, we know the what is this working. Okay, you see that ad rotation. As we know, ad rotation, more option. This is similar like other campaign. As we know, you can select device. You can target which device you want to work with. Lots of option in available there. So we are going to the main point. Budgeting, just give $10 per day. Next, ad targeting. We just cancel this. In that area, it is the difference between others. So I can show you that what is the difference from others. You see the audience segment, and there are multiple options available in there. You can search your audience against his behavior, like who they are, what they are interest, what they are actively searching, how they have interact with your business, your combined audience and your custom audience, who they are, like your who choose your product, like he is parents or not, who is his children, marital status, educations, and lots of other thing. Homeowner, you can choose your what kind of audience you need, homeowner, rental, etc. After that we can see the affinity, what their interest and habit are. Like you have the fashion brand, what they are having, like this they are having lifestyle. You can select this audience. After that you can see this of what they are actively searching on planning. So if someone want to buy shoes, they are planning which type of shoe is good for us. We can see they are in their education, employment, event tickets, and lots of other way. So after that we can also create a combined audience. As we know, there remarketing. When we use remarketing, we can select from there. Okay, after that we can select custom audience. Like we can make the custom audience like their segment name, like a fashion. I can make a audience fashion. So here is the two option available in there, like people who any of those interest purchase in interaction. They are confirmed they are want to purchase, so they are searching something like that. Or we want to purchase black shoes for man, so they are very interact with this. They are purchase something like this. And another option is people who selected any those item terms from the Google. They are searching like that kind of keyword. Is that the black shoes is good for us, anything like that kind of word they are searching. So this is the custom audience options. After that we can see another targeting, like demography. Here you see you can select the demography options. So if your target audience is female, male, as you know, you can target from here, age target from here, parental status you can target from here, and also household income. It is available few of countries that their household income is we can target with this. I think that is coming there. Okay, okay. It is available in Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, New Zealand, South Africa, South Korea, sorry, Singapore, Thailand, and the United States. This country you can target your audience through the household income. Except other countries, you are not available for now. It will be available later, I think. Okay, we are going to the next targeting. It is keyword based targeting. As we know, we are researching keyword, we can paste keyword in there, and as usual this keyword is working. Previously we can previous like a campaign we are running, it is like this. Okay, another one, we can see the topic. You can select your topic, suppose fashion brand. You can search from here, you can select the fashion, your topic based product. Okay, after that we can target with the okay, okay, this is the for targeting. We are selected in there in this display ad, audience, demographic, keyword, and top. After that we also have a target, it is placement. Is interesting, that is website. You can target the website base like jelly store, or I just write there as a website name. We can target from this name. We can target this website in this this website user can show the ads. After that you can target also YouTube channel. You can also target specific video for these ads. Apps available, you can target the apps. So this is the fundamental area you can target it. So I go to the next. So this is the interesting part, we can make the ads. So first of all, you are giving the final URL, your website, your brand name. Suppose I am Mustafizur. Okay, after that you can select the responsive image. I just randomly pick some image in there. Just I take this image, and you can customize your image like responsive. So it's selected. If you want multiple images in there available, so I pick another one, this one. I just again customize this. I want to saw this one. Okay, selected, and it's done. Okay, you can select your logo in there. You can also in your video, that is my video, I can tag with my video. Headline. Oh, there is a option, if you remember that is 30 second, not around 30 second will work the best. You can make the video around 30 second and upload in the YouTube. You can tag in there. So here is some here you can see the headlines. We can add up to 5 headlines in there. So I take some headlines. I can go to my sheets. Another option we have a in this ad size, image size is multiple, image size is difference. The square size, rectangle size, 200 into 200, small size. There are multiple size. You can search on Google, you can get this size, and this is comfortable for the Google to responsive your image. So I take some keyword from there. I take some headlines. Sorry, I just pick this. Just take 5 headlines. paste in there. This keyword is not more than 30 character. You should I just randomly give this. Okay, this is dual. Okay, another, you see this, yes, it is coming in there, the image is visible and the headline is working and the logo is working. Okay, and he want a long headline within 90 character, so I take a long headline in there, just copy and paste it. Okay, after that they want a description. If you have description is not more than 5, so I take some description, I just copy, 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 and I just paste there randomly. Okay, okay, I take the 5 description in there. There is an option, that call to action option, what you want. You can want apply now, book now, contract us, download, learn more, and any other things. I just select shop now, and this language is English. The shop now button is showing there. Okay, this is complete for the display ad. We can see this is display network. We can see that this is another way. We can show this is shop now button is available there. Okay, and the Gmail, what we see, how can the ad shows. Okay, like this your ad is showing there. Yes, the ad is show there. And the YouTube, what we see, you are showing in that bottom, in the top of the ads, top of the video, you shows the ad. So this is all for the Google display ad. If you have any question, please write the comment below. I can answer in your question. Thank you for today.